In this quick screen capture, I'm going to show you how to use an Excel file in Google Sheets. To start, you'll need to find where you have your Excel file. For this example, I've just got one downloaded here to my Downloads folder. So from that Downloads folder, I'm going to go to my Google Drive. And once I'm there, then I will take that file that I've saved that I want to use, and I will drag it into my drive. Once I've drug it in there, I will right click on it and I will go to Open With, and then I can click on Google Sheets. Once I have it loaded up, I can continue to use it as an Excel file, or I can take and I can convert it into a Google Sheet. Both ways will work just fine. Just choose the one that works best for you. When you go back to your drive, you'll now be able to refresh and see that you have both the Excel, which would be marked with an X right here, and your Google Sheet version. So just use whichever you'd prefer.